Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to edit your Bumble profile. First of all, find and open Bumble application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you can see complete profile icon. Click on it. Then, here you can find all of your information. Now to edit these photos and videos, you can simply long press on it and drag it wherever you like. You can also delete these photos. Now you can also add your interest badge. Click here and edit all of these settings from here. You can also edit your prompts. Click on the prompts which you have already written and you can see update and replace button. To change it, you can simply click on update button, and if you want to replace the prompt, you can click on replace and choose any one from here. After that, you can also edit your bio here. Simply click on it and delete the current bio. Then type in the new bio and click on save button. You can also edit your about you page. Click on it and select here. After that, type in the new job. You can also change education from here. It goes the same for all of these options. You can edit all of the information by simply clicking on these settings here. So that is how you can edit your Bumble profile. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.